So for a first-time investor, a lot of it comes down to investing in what you know. And if you don't know much, either you get smart or you find someone who's a subject matter expert. A lot of times when I get questions like, hey, I want to invest in real estate, I want to build my wealth this way, and they have something else going on in their lives. Like if you look at my career trajectory, for example, I burned all the boats. I quit my jobs, I moved across the country, I dedicated myself to living in a 40,000 person county in the middle of nowhere, because this was my job 24/7, 365. And unless you have that sort of dream, I would highly recommend finding someone who is a subject matter expert that you're able to leverage off of their experience. A lot of what we've done has been really partnering with the right individuals as we're going into different markets. And a lot of that means we're building our teams completely from scratch. So if you're looking to get into investing, you really have to think about, where are you starting off from? If you're starting off from the perspective where you have the capital available and it's significant enough that you can get your own deal done, maybe you just need one partner. If you don't have enough capital to get one project done, maybe you go into a crowdfunding platform